Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will continue from exercise E1 and E2 of reading comprehension. Take out your vision books and open up page number 58. Write the names of people who did the following actions. There are two columns. The first one is who and the second one is what did he, she do or the action. What we have to do, we have to complete the column of who. Who made the special ice cream? Mother made the special ice cream. Who made fun? Asim made fun. Who? Asim. And who checked the patient? Yes, Dr. Hamza checked the patient. Next, who told the stories? Yes, father told the stories. Next, who said sorry for being rude? Asim said sorry to Anam for being rude. Write down Asim. And who gave a gift of pains? Who gave a gift? Uncle Usman. Who gave a gift? Uncle Usman. And who prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Everyone. Who prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Everyone means all the family members prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may Anam recover soon. Next, who did homework? Anam did homework. Anam did the homework. Next, exercise E2. This is on page number 59. Take out your color pencils. You have to match the sentences with the help of color pencils. Mother took Anam. Where did mother took Anam? Mother took Anam to the clinic. Match number 1 with E. Mother took Anam to the clinic. Number 2. Anam had caught mumps. Match number 2 with D. Anam had caught mumps. Number 3. Dr. Hamza. Dr. Hamza gave Anam some medicine. Match number 3 with A. Number 4. Uncle Usman had given paints to Asim. Match number 4 with C. Number 5. They all prayed. They all prayed for what? They all prayed for Anam to get well soon. Match number 5 with B. Note down your homework. Do exercise E1 and E2 in your book. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.